vlog. Saan punta mo, pre? Ikaw, Ben? Saan ka punta? Come back with us. We're going to Mexico. My luggages. Good morning. Let's go! Tingin mo makakasakay tayo today?
Makasakay tayo niyan. Kailangan natin gumising.
Yun na nga eh. Let's go. Yung mga maleta namin. Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon?
So, kinakabahan.
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Ay, pangit.
Are you kinakabahan?
Hindi. Kasi, una, lakas na kay Lord. Pangalawa, ka-zodiac sign mo siya. Mas malakas yung kapit mo dun.
Zodiac lang si Lord. Gay ko Capricorn yun. Nakapag-log-in na kami. Yung kaba namin.
Facebook.
yung kaba ko kanina 100% kasi.
Ngayon,
Ngayon nasa ano na lang, 60 gano'n.
tama.
Saka yung good luck ni ate kasi may laman. Pakita mo nga, passport reveal.
Ganyan, di ba, pag mga ano. Face.
Face card.
Dagdagan. Sana may tatak today, guys.
Tatakan, tak mo. Yeah, tak.
Ganyan, ganyan.
Ayan na sila. Ba't pink yung maleta nyo? Model mo nga daw.
Ikaw, ba't dalawa yung maleta?
Yes. May second floor. Yes. Ito ang famous cheese pool. Wow. Hindi nyo naman sinabi.
Guadalupe pala to, guys. Guadada.
Ito yun. Meron mo agad 350. Kato doon sol.
Ayan, tama. Guys, nandito na kami sa Mexico. Sobrang init.
Papunta na, guys.
Hometown ko, negative 25 dun sasama ko kami dito. Siyempre, patol. Nakadating na nga sila. Oh my gosh! Very nice. Grabe.
Baka ito. Ito, guys, aktibidades.
Hi.
Vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Ayun na, nagsama-sama na ang mga girls. Hola! Hi, sis! Hi, how are you? Kamusta naman? Hi, Bert.
Hi.
Kumain na kayo?
Kaya takot mo siya, be.
Ayan na lang ako.
Hi, Nora! Sis, kamusta naman yung few days na dito?
Hola.
Hola.
English or Spanish?
English.
Bienvenidas. How can I help you? How much is that for you? Oh, for the racers?
Zip line.
Bundle with zipline.
The zipline combo?
Yeah.
With the price.
How many people are we? 2, 4, 5, 8. So we need 4 four-wheelers, right? The price is per vehicle, all right? The whole tour, where are you guys staying at? Canto del Sol. Okay, great. So we provide you transportation from Canto del Sol base, and then we go all the way up to the mountains. We do 3 stops. One is in the highest part of the mountain to take a picture from the whole city. We do another stop on the hot springs. And we continue and we make it to the hacienda. We give you tequila tasting, unlimited tequila tasting, nachos and guacamole, tacos and beer.
Guacamole!
Tacos and beer is not included, just nachos and guacamole, alright? But we have nachos and beer for you guys. It's $40 per person, 11 lines.
Does that include the...
We provide you transportation from here, okay? From the Oxo to here and to this is where we are, to here. And then we go all the way up by the river. So we cross the bridge, we cross the river many times. On the way up, we do 1 stop on the highest part to take the picture.
Yes.
Okay? 1 o'clock
In the afternoon.
on the afternoon. And we have the last 2. Look, mira. You from 100, I'll give it to you
2,000.
3,400 each vehicle.
31.
3,200. Come on, be nice.
32?
3,200 for 4 people. For 4 people. One night.
There's still this.
I'm doing my best. As amigo, as a friend, I'm telling you.
You said 32. You said 32.
Yeah, but for this one, being honest, 600 pesos per person. 600.
Hey, how many lines?
11. 11 lines.
Oh my god. Okay. 500 per person.
You can ask if I can.
Yes, call banker right now. First excursion book.
Dumiretso dun,
Saan,
guys.
saan, saan?
Nagiyang
Mga may ending. Content lang eh.
Content. Pati content to. May ano, strawberry sila, be. Gusto ko ng ganon. Strawberry dipped in white and dark chocolate. So good.
Sarap. Worth it.
Oreo ice cream. Mango nada.
Great.
Ang tawag dyan, Marquesita. Look at that. That's so nice. OMG. Wow. Grabe. And look at this. I bought flip-flops kagabi. Perfect. We're going to eat breakfast. Mukbang channel. Hello guys. Ay! Alarma! 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 Eh! Ayoko pa ng anak.
Amazing.
Ano masasabi mo?
Pagod na ako kakabantay kay Nora. Amazing.
Parang yun yung trabaho mo pa. Apap ka, di ba? Apap. What can you say about Mexico?
Mexico is very fun and very hot. I love it here. I'm listening to... Dapat baka...
Hey! Tama! Yes!
Wala kayo.
I want to talk to you. English, French?
English.
French!
Tagalog.
I'm the driver.
Si.
But don't forget, Mexican driver.
Okay.
Okay.
Vámonos.
Vámonos!
You want to go fast? Medium or slow?
Mexican driver.
All right. Okay. Don't worry. You are very safety with me.
Makakatulog ka din. Wow. Kami ang ongpam. B. Wala ba?
This is us before the...
Before the ATV.
Yes.
Fresh.
Puti-puti pa yan sila.
Mamaya. Let's see. Ayan na. We're ready to conquer the world. Fit check. My hat is from Bonanza Vitegas. We're gonna go. Go hard. Boom, boom, boom.
Yep. Okay. You have the drive license. That's all.
Tara na. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na. Let's go. Broom, broom, broom. Love, are you excited?
Okay lang yan.
Tayo. Sobrang peaceful. Wow.
Salud. Salud.
For the gram. Guys, this is our villa. Villa!
Kaya.
Hey guys, so nag-chill lang kami dito.
Hi, vlog!
Hi vlog! This is official day 1. Night 2. Emerald.
Hi, vlog! So right now, we're at the beach. We're just watching the waves. Right there. Look at the waves. Gorgeous. And then the city is over there.
Meron tayo ngayon small outfit check. Yun lang. Bye. Ngayon, naglalakad lang kami kasi gusto namin ang ice cream. May tinatawag dito sa Mexico. It's called Oxxo. Yun yung 7-Eleven nila. Eh. May siopaw ba? Uy, cute. Nasaan yung ice cream nila? Parang masarap to. Chocolate and nuts. Parang gusto ko parang masarap to. Ako? Meron? Try tayo ngayon ng Mexican ice cream. I don't know what it is. Okay lang. Let's go. So good. Bye-bye. Good morning! Tayo ngayon sa Paraiso. Mexican chocolate. Lasang hot pot.
Good morning!
Sweet girl.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. ¿Cómo está?
Bien, bien.
Bien? Muy bien. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa... Saan tayo pupunta lang? Anong Mahiko?
Mahiko.
Ha? Mahiko nga? Weh?
Magic Word.
Ito, Mahiko. Ganun parang nasa helicopter tayo. Anong masasabi mo ngayong pupunta tayo sa Marina Island?
Natutuwa ako para kaming mag-island hopping lang sa Boracay.
Ngayon, ang ganda dito. Tingnan nyo naman ang mga kabildingan. Kumanta na lang tayo. Porque contigo. Papunta na sa Say hi!
Sakto tayo.
Yes, good morning to everybody. ¿Cómo estamos el día de hoy? How's everybody doing today? No, mira.
Whale watching. Whale, nasa ka na whale? Ito na kami! Nasabak na. Snorkeling. Ah! May ano? Amoy sabon. Yes.
Lalagay mo lang.
Sino pang kulang?
Very nice.
Wala? Tignan mo, natanggal na yung dalawa mo. Sino isa?